want to ask you all something. Whose company is this? Like, you know? They're like, I don't know. I don't know whose company is this. What are you guys talking about?
Right.
You know? Then I said, okay, wait. I had to pull out my phone. I did a screen recording.
Yeah.
The screen recording went up to the chats. I showed all the chats, everything. I stopped the screen recording. I sent it in a group chat. I was like, look at this. They
Right.
look at it, they're like dumbfounded, bro.
Because obviously the name's on it, right?
They dumbfounded, bro.
Yeah.
They know they're like caught. And they're like, sorry, we didn't mean for this to happen.
They didn't.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like, even though that's happening, we still want to stay on board with the war room.
Maybe we
Because-
can do a partnership.
because their plan was secretly run this group, and as clients are coming into the war room,
Pull them over.
slowly pull them out.
Yeah. they were
So
funding
now,
it.
this is now we're catching them off guard because their company they're just trying to launch it, and as they're trying to launch it, we already found out about it. So didn't have time to
Grow.
grow.
Right.
So yes, they and what they did was they we doing paid services. They said, okay, for the next 6 months, we're gonna do everything for free. So a lot of our paid
Yeah.
clients, they know, okay, these signal providers, we're paying them for signals, and the same guys that we're paying for signals went and launched a company and they're gonna do it for free. So might as well go to the free company.
Yeah, because they're sending signals either way.
So after like maybe 1 year of building our company, everything went dead in the water, and it's like we got to restart this company from scratch. Because when they did that, they went and they manually added all those clients into their free group.
Okay. Okay.
So we lost all our clients, and at the same time, we went through the thing with the broker where they terminated our business contract.
Oh, so you were down, like both of you.
Yeah,
Bro,
shit.
imagine now in terms of we grew this company over X amount of time, all the hardships we went through,
Yeah.
all the mentorships we were doing, all the time and effort we were putting into
Someone
these
just came,
clients.
moved it off.
Yeah, bro. And then these guys snaked us, and they pulled our entire company under our feet. It was gone. They took all our clients, and there was no way of getting those clients back because those clients were locked in with a different company for 6 months for free.
Yeah.
So we didn't even bother. We're like, okay, I told Dre, you know what, this is a fuck up situation. This is the worst as is. It's not going to get any worse than this anyway. We lost our broker and we lost all our clients.